Hi beauties, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little day of my life vlog. I feel like my life has been pretty all over the place recently. Not every day is the same, and I haven't really had a strict morning routine every morning. Some days I will dedicate to just strictly content creation. Some days I'll dedicate to just strictly self-care. Some days, like today, I'll dedicate to cleaning the house, or some days I will help out my fiance with his business and doing a construction project or helping paint. There's always something going on here. But today we are focusing on getting some random chores done around the house. For the girlies watching this that are like, but wait, what are you putting on your face? I put the Laneige lip mask on and the Good Molecules eye gel, and I'm topping it off with the Caudalie Beauty Elixir spray. I just find it really refreshing and hydrating. Anyways, so I am doing some laundry here because we are about to leave and go to my mom's for a few days, and I had so much laundry to catch up on. I don't know if any of you have a fiance, boyfriend, or partner that is in construction, but they create a lot of laundry. And that combined with my sweatpant obsession and always changing my outfits, we go through a lot of laundry. Next, I'm going to be straightening up the guest bedroom. We don't use it every night, but some nights when Miguel is coming in late, or if he has to be up early, or if he's snoring and I can't sleep, then we do prioritize sleep over anything. I want to normalize that you don't have to sleep together every night to be in a loving, happy relationship. Your sleep very much so reflects how you treat other people and your overall health, so your relationship really is strengthened if you get a good night of sleep. You can also grow resentment towards your partner if they are keeping you up all night and you are not sleeping. One of my favorite parts of the morning is opening up the blinds downstairs and letting in all the natural light. It really just opens up the space and makes it feel warm and happy and sunny. I feel like lighting up the room with the natural lighting really changes the mood and the vibe of the space. And honestly, I feel like the natural lighting always makes me more productive and makes me want to get things done more, because I feel like you can just really see everything that is in your house and it makes you want to do things. I find it extra helpful on days like today when I'm supposed to be cleaning my house and I feel like it looks clean on the inside, but once you open those windows, it will literally show you every single speck of dirt and dust. Speaking of dirt, I also had some dirty dishes I had to catch up on before I started my tea for the morning. I'm just one of those people that has to have a clean kitchen before I get started. And usually I wake up to a clean kitchen, but I think we had done something a little bit later the night before. So I'm just finishing up here before I start making my ginger turmeric tea, which has been my recent morning favorite. Ginger and turmeric are really good with helping with inflammation in the body, which is obviously great for your gut and skin health. But if I could give you my number one tip for your gut and skin health, it would be to cut out processed sugar, number one. Second, try to incorporate dark leafy greens every day. This will dramatically change your life, and within 3 days, you will see your skin improve. The only reason I'm saying this so confidently is because I've done this on and off this entire year, and every single time I cut out sugar and start incorporating kale every day, my skin clears up almost instantly and my pores shrink. It's crazy. But anyway, I'm just refilling our avocado oil jar because I thought it would be aesthetic to record, but of course it didn't focus almost the entire time I was filling it, so that's awesome. But you know what? It's still aesthetic. So I noticed that my tea says, talking to a plant is one way of talking directly to the spirit. So of course I decided to give talking directly to my spirit a go and talk to my plants downstairs before I went back upstairs to be a very productive girl like I am going to be today. Which means we're gonna head right back upstairs and start back on the laundry. Which, by the way, does anyone else have a touchscreen washer and dryer? I'm just curious how everyone else feels about touchscreen appliances, since I have had a touchscreen dishwasher in the past, which was a complete issue because it's right at hip's length, so I kept always hitting it with my hips and turning on the dishwasher when I wasn't trying to. Versus the washer and dryer, I feel like sometimes I just struggle to get to the right setting or turn it on and off. Anyways, I did want to show you this little feature that we have in our laundry room. It's basically just a pole that's in our laundry room where we can hang up all of the wet stuff that we don't want to dry. There's just certain materials like lace and silk and I'm not sure what type of material this is, but it's not the best in the dryer. So hanging up things is just so much easier. And to have a pole in the laundry room that's already ready for you is just so convenient. You can even take like an old curtain rod and suspend it in your laundry room if you don't have other materials. Also, does anyone else wait until they've already showered to throw in all your laundry? Because I don't like running it while I'm in the shower because it'll take away my hot water. And also, that way I can throw in all of my dirty laundry that I just took off. Before I get started folding laundry, I wanted to take a little break outside and get some fresh air and catch up on my water intake. I feel like I'm really bad about drinking water throughout the day when I'm busy. So I'm just slipping on this super cozy set that my sister got me for my birthday from Aerie. It's kind of like little boxer shorts with this cozy tank top, but the tank top has like glitter in it. I don't know if you can see it in this lighting, but once we go outside, you'll definitely see some of the glitter, I'm sure. But it's literally the cutest little set. We also got this super cute outdoor set from Amazon recently. It's got cream cushions and it's made of wood, so it's a lot more sustainable, I feel like, because the little wicker ones that you see that are made of plastic, those break down over time like really fast. I don't know if you've ever experienced that. But I just love coming out here to get some sun and a little fresh air. It's just such a good break in the day. So here are some close-up shots of the Aerie set. I am just absolutely obsessed. If you haven't gone to Aerie recently, maybe go because their pajama sets right now are just so cute. They even have some for fall and it's really giving. And just like that, the break is over and it's back to doing laundry. So I'm just switching over this load right now before I start folding the huge pile of laundry that I have waiting for me in the bedroom. Which, no worries, you will get the satisfying YouTube version of it sped up so you can just see all the laundry magically get folded in like 5 seconds. It's gonna be really satisfying. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I guess I'm just throwing out my life tips for cleaning right now, but my life tip for folding laundry: set up your phone on some sort of surface and pull up a YouTube video while you fold and just completely zone out. Or pull up a TV show, whatever you can watch while you're folding laundry. That will make it go by so much faster. I also separate my fiance's work clothes from our nice clothes because his work clothes can have construction materials on them that can end up ruining our good laundry. So always separate if you have someone working in construction. Okay, so I'm trying to plan an outfit because I'm going to be going to my mom's, which is about an hour away, and we're spending the night. So I want to have a cute outfit to wear tomorrow, and I'm trying to figure it out. But I put this Halara skirt on and it looked really good with this Aerie top that I got recently. So I figured I'd show you guys just real quick before I put the rest of it on. And I really wanted to see if this tank top, which is also Halara, looks good with the scarf that I thrifted, which I have not been able to find a way to style it. Like, I've tried it in my hair a million different ways, but like for whatever reason, the amount and like the floofiness of it, it just looks not right, like in your hair. I don't know. And then I've got these cute little socks. They have like the frill. And I'm just gonna wear that with my white tennis shoes. I know I'm trying to upgrade and not be so millennial and wear ankle socks with everything. I know. I literally just love the backs on these tanks. Okay, so how does this look together? Also looks cute. Looks a little, I don't know, I almost like the other top better. And like, how would I, let's like hide these or tuck them in. I don't know. We're just experimenting here. Like, I was thinking I could try this as a belt since it's like bigger. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like this idea. Is that, I don't know. Ew. Thank you. Spread this a bit. Well, actually, I don't know, you guys. I think I like it better without the scarf, which is so disappointing. I don't know. This scarf is just so pretty. It's got all these pretty colors. No worries, I washed it since thrifting it, but it just has such a pretty like color scheme to it. It's so pretty, and I feel like it would look great in theory with this outfit, but like, how are we styling the scarf? Where's my purse? I could try. I think I've put it on my purse once. I could try that again. It's just so disappointing because I feel like it'd just be so pretty. Maybe I could put it through some jeans or something. We've got to figure out something. I think maybe it's just not going with the skirt because this is not like a belt loop type of skirt. It's not where you would normally put a belt. I don't know, I'm just hopeful because it fits, you know, the theme here. Like, I felt like that was it. I don't know. Like, even on the purse, is that disappointing? It's kind of cute. It gives a little pop of like the purple and the girliness. I don't know, you guys. I really want to use this, and it matches this top so perfectly, and the outfit in general. Am I missing something here? So I'm just packing up the rest of my things for my trip to Mom's, and I'm also going to be editing this YouTube video while I'm there, so I'm also packing some equipment for that. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and subscribe, and if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.